Everybody wants to change, but most people don't know how to change. Albert Einstein theorized on what creates a person's life circumstances. Why is it that human beings are continually surrounded by the things that were first imagined? In quantum physics, creative imagination is called the power of kinetic belief. I am the founder of the law of kinetic belief, a subset theory to the God particle, the blueprint for every desire in the universe. Mastering the universe with the power of kinetic belief workshop is for those who want to manifest anything that they can think or imagine. If you're like most people, even while making a good living, you may feel trapped while the life you've imagined just seems to be passing you by. Only a few people have known how to attract whatever they can think or imagine. The power of kinetic belief is only for those who want a different destination from the life they're now living. I'm Stephen Kenyon. Join me for a Mastering the Universe Kinetic Belief Workshop.